So what's up community, welcome back to our YouTube channel with amazing and fabulous videos. So our today video is about Amazon AI network. In this video I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Amazon network, this is the world first decentralization AI powered project. In this network you can create your images and videos. So guys, you can enter here your statement, then you can click the generate button, then you can generate your pictures and videos. So first of all, you can create your account, you can click here, then guys you can see this. So guys, you can click the register button, then you can enter your username, enter your password, then you can enter your email, then you can enter the anti-spam verification code, then you can click the register button, then you can register your account. Now if your account is already registered, then click the login button, then you can enter your email or username, enter your password, then you can log in. Now you can log in with valid. And next guys, we back to our official website and see this further detail about this AI network. Amazon, you can see this, you can scroll down and check here the all images and videos that is created through Amazon network of AI. You can see these computers and phones, Nest computers and phones, a motorcycle, pretty looks good, a glass of wine, bear and bear, can you see it? You can see these hot, most votes, most comments, most views. You can click here and see these most views videos and picture. You can see this all picture video has high views. You can see this, and next guys, you can see this the homes, hot, submit news, submit videos, submit images, submit tags, top user pricing. You can see this, and next guys, you can scroll down and check here the more videos and picture about this Amazon network AI. You can see this. So next guys, we go to this project official white paper. So guys, you can click here and see this Amazon network official white paper is here. Amazon AI, world first decentralization social network powered by AI. You can click this and see this abstract detail of Amazon Network AI. Amazon AI introduces a groundbreaking social network platform, Amazon AI, which seamlessly integrates the power of artificial intelligence and Web3 technologies. This platform revolutionized shared images galleries by leveraging advanced AI, specifically DAL-A and Stable Diffusion, to provide users with a dynamic and customizable approach to image generation. You can read carefully detail, you can see the disclaimer, and next we go to the introduction. So you can see this introduction. In the era of Web3, Amazon Network present Amazon AI, a transformative platform that marries the capabilities of artificial intelligence with decentralized nature of blockchain network. You can check your disclaimer detail. Next guy, you can see this technology stack. You can click here and see this technology stack, AI image generation. You can see this, and next guy, you can go to the features of Amazon Network AI, AI image generation, DAL-E and Stable Diffusion integration, user-friendly interface. You can see this all in the future. You can read carefully, and next we go to the roadmap of this project. You can check here the roadmap, development milestones. The Amazon Network roadmap outlines key milestones, including the integration of advanced AI models. You can see the community engagement. Amazon Network is committed to building an engaged and active community, regular updates. You can see this, and as you can see the active ecosystem expansion. Amazon Network aim to expand its ecosystem by exploring new cooperation. You can read carefully next guy. You can see this image and tokenomics. You can see these token symbols, network, BNB chain, Solana, token symbol. You can see this BNB chain, BP20 contract address, Ethereum, ERC20 contract address, Solana contract address. You can see this project category, disclaimer detail. Next guys, you can see this Amazon token distribution. You can read total token supply, initial token sale 5%, team and advisor 15%, community rewards and partnerships 45%, reserve fund 35%, token vesting. You can see this email token utility, complaints and regulation. Guys, you can read carefully ITAL and next guys we back to the official website. And so guys, you can get image now. You can click there and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see you can get image on PancakeSwap, Top Finance. You can see on Uniswap, Maxic Exchange. So guys, you can go to the Maxic Exchange, then you can get image now. This image network is officially launched on Maxic Exchange. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here the image with USDT pair. You can see this price 0.02008. You can check your trading price chart. You can see you can start trading now. You can see the price up and down. You can check here 24-hour volume, 24-hour low volume. You can see this 24-hour volume, 24-hour low amount 0.01800, 24-hour high amount 0.02800. You can see this. You can start trading now. Then you can get profit now. So guys, you can buy this Amazon network now. So first of all, you can deposit USD, then you can buy now. You can enter the USD price, then you can enter the amount of image, then you can enter the order value, then you can buy image now. You can see this and next guy we back to the official website and see this further detail about this project. So guys, you can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter, Discord. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this Amazon AI network official Twitter page is open. You can follow here. This is world first decentralization social network. You can scroll down and check here the all post about this project Amazon network. You can like and comment this all post and retweet this post. You can see this. And next guys we back to the official website and next guys we go to the Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can click here and see this Amazon network Telegram group chat community is open. 13,473 members that join this community. So guys, you can join this community and next we back to the home page. And so guys, you can use the image now. So guys, you can click here, then you can use the image now. You can see this. So we are discuss this and next we back to the home page and next guys you can scroll down and check here the shorts, reactions, hot, explore details. So guys, this website video is finished. If you all like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.